AVE AppFactory is the application used to build your apps that house your content. You can download the product on our website. Make sure you have the latest version of AppFactory before you get started. If you just loaded your provisioning profiles while AppFactory was running, make sure you restart AppFactory. In AppFactory, all of the different kiosks or apps are listed on the left. When you choose a kiosk, you can see a preview of the app in the main screen. Apps that support iPhone as well as iPad have the name Universal in the title. Basically, there are 4 different kinds of apps you can make. You can make an app that only has one single issue, for a one-off app that is just sold or given away once. You can make a bookstore for a collection of titles that don't have a set publishing schedule. You can make a magazine kiosk that supports newsstand and subscription and therefore has a timed publication schedule. Or you can make an app that can connect to your own subscriber database and allows you to customize the account section. First, let's talk about the single content templates. The first one is Remote Reader. You build out the specifications for the app. When a user downloads the app, the download is quick. When the app launches, the content automatically begins downloading. This is because the content itself is hosted by you on a URL. Because the content is not embedded in the app, you are allowed to update the content. When the content is updated, if a user has already downloaded the content, when they visit your app again, they will be notified that there has been an update and they will be prompted to download the update. This makes updates to a single content reader easy. The second one is the AVE reader. This content is not hosted by you. The AVE is part of the application. Therefore, when a user downloads the application, they are also downloading the content at the same time. Updates to this kind of template are not as easy as the remote template because in order to make an update, you will need to submit a new version of the app to Apple, and it could take over a week for the new version to get accepted. Next is Migrate Bookstore. This is for collections you make, such as book titles, where the books could all be sold at different prices and there is no set release schedule. It does feature an account button so that users can save what they've purchased and transfer their purchases to another device. Then we have the kiosk designed for newspapers, magazines, newsletters, anything with a publishing schedule. Single title kiosk is the older version of the kiosk and does support newsstand, user account, and subscriptions. The newer versions of this are the Elegant and Spotlight kiosk. They support all the aforementioned features plus retina graphics and push notifications. The Wired kiosk also supports all these features, but it also allows you the ability to make custom HTML on the right side of the screen for horizontal that will shift to the bottom of the screen in vertical. This HTML can be changed as often as you like, and it is the place you can offer your Apple subscriptions. For example, you could lower your price and offer a different subscription rate, or change the HTML based on the upcoming holidays. Finally, we have the SPF, or Subscriber Database template. If you wish to know pricing surrounding a subscription database, please feel free to contact us. Here's the basics of how it works. You already have print subscribers and you want to offer them bundled deals so that if they buy your subscription, they can get both the print and the digital versions. If you don't have your app hooked up to your subscriber database, the only way for your subscribers to get issues is for them to buy them directly through Apple. Apple allows you to control your content on the back end, as long as when a user downloads your app, the first thing they see is the subscriptions you could buy through them advertised in the HTML on the landing page of the app. This special kiosk lets you customize the account button so that your customers can enter custom wording, such as, if you received an email from us that contains a username and password for a free issue, please enter it here, and so on. Those are basically the 4 types of apps you can make.